Good morning and welcome to New South Wales Health's COVID-19 update for Sunday the 2nd of May 2021. New South Wales recorded no new locally acquired cases of COVID-19 in the 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night. 3 new cases were acquired overseas in the same period, bringing the total number of cases in New South Wales since the beginning of the pandemic to 5,295. 9,000 tests were reported to 8 p.m. last night, compared with 10,227 in the previous 24 hours. 646 COVID-19 vaccines were administered by New South Wales Health in the 24 hours to 8 p.m. last night. This brings the total of vaccines administered by New South Wales Health to 211,022. New South Wales Health is treating 103 COVID-19 cases, one of whom is in intensive care and being ventilated. The Western Australian Government yesterday announced a Perth hotel quarantine worker and 2 of his household contacts have tested positive to COVID-19. It also published a list of venues of concern that these people visited whilst potentially infectious. Prior to travelling to New South Wales, anyone who has been to Perth since Tuesday, the 27th of April, should immediately check the concerns notice and exemption on the New South Wales Health website to determine whether they have been to any places of high concern. Anyone currently in New South Wales who has been in Perth since Tuesday, the 27th of April, should immediately check if they have been to a place of high concern. If you have attended any of these venues at the relevant times, please immediately isolate, get tested and call New South Wales Health on 1800 943 553. New South Wales Health reminds all travellers that you need to complete an entry declaration if you have been in Western Australia in the previous 14 days before entering New South Wales. New South Wales Health is working closely with our counterparts in Western Australia and will update advice as necessary to ensure the safety of the New South Wales community. New South Wales Health has begun contacting people who have arrived from Perth since Tuesday the 27th of April, and we have also deployed screening teams to Sydney Airport from 5:30 this morning to meet new arrivals. As these latest cases in Perth show, COVID-19 can re-emerge at any time. We urge anyone with even the slightest of cold-like symptoms to immediately isolate and be tested and to remain in isolation until a negative result is received. There are more than 300 COVID-19 testing locations across New South Wales, many of which are open 7 days a week. To find your nearest clinic, visit our website or contact your GP. Thank you.